something, yaar.
Yeah,
I'm
hello
recording
guys.
video.
We are just roaming around the college, bunking our class.
There's a beautiful view behind us.
You can see how much beautiful our campus is. That's why we are always here.
And now it's your turn.
The placements are fucked, that's for sure.
Yeah,
Oh,
he's right.
yeah, he's absolutely right. Is it our first time?
No. We actually do this very often.
Yes. Well, it's not our lunch break, but we are just getting advantage of first aid of a student. So I hope we will not be caught by the faculties or anything else. So we are just roaming around this. You can see.
Actually, we are in third year, so
Yes.
we can
We are
say that
seniors. We can
actually
do
We are
that.
the faculty.
Yeah. We
for
can
the
rule the
first year.
faculty.
Yeah.
Now, see what? Yes.
ये अंग्रेज का 14 सब कुछ ही बोल रहा है, हमको समझे नहीं आ रहा है.
Why are you
And he's
abusing
from
me?
Sivan,
You
so he
you
don't
also
know.
speak English. I know
He
very well.
speaks only Bhojpuri, so this guy is Bhojpurian.
Yes. So are we gonna visit that place?
Yeah, I'm okay with it.
Okay. Why do you guys use your local language? Please speak English only whenever
Actually,
I open
I'm not
camera.
that much fluent and confident.
I know you are. I know you are. You both are
Very
very good at
underconfident in
speaking, but you know
हम
you
जी
just
के
want
पूछो
to
ना,
avoid
पूछा
this
हुआ
kind
नहीं
of
सब कुछ ही
situation.
बोलेगा.
No, I'm.
But I'll try
kind
my
of-
best to record you as well.
Yeah, record me as well.
And where is that fluent guy?
He's here.
The
ये
lover
सब
of
हम
pen.
मिलके मिलके पागल बना रहा है, हमको कुछ नहीं.
Why are you using that? Well, guys, he also good at speaking, but he just want to hide something.
Yeah, in the mood of aura farming.
Exactly.
Aura not aura.
Aura is not aura.
But in actual, we are not allowed to visit this kind of place at this time. But
we don't
but
follow
we are
rules.
just breaking the rules, and
And we do this very
Being
often.
there is
rebels.
no any faculty of our department. Yes, there is no any faculty of our department,
Yeah.
and
And even if they was there, we will not give fuck.
so why are you so upset?
I'm not upset at anything, I'm just spitting facts, that's all.
We are.
Then why
upset
are you
because
angry
we-
with our faculties?
Because
If you have
we
the
just
guts,
saw
you can
our
say on
college
camera.
campus, that's why.
Because I'm angry at our faculty, I'm mad at our faculty because they are supposed to be in the class teaching but they are not there.
No,
That's the
because,
thing.
I know they are not like working well, but
They're not interested, they just want to
They
have
don't give
days
a
off and go to vacations and
that's what we like a lot, because we need like a lot of lectures off and have some quality of time outside. So that's why I like doing that.
एक भी बंदर नहीं दिख रहा भाई.
Yeah, here is one. You can see the. Here is one
Hey,
monkey. I'm sorry for that.
Just look in the camera and you will see one.
दिखता
I hope
sweet
so.
innocent स्वामी टाइप का लेकिन मुझे टाइप का. समझा?
No.
वैसे वाला ऐसा कैरेक्टर है.
Well, I know very well about
भाई अभी मेरा
Ismail.
हिस्ट्री में जानोगे ना तो मालूम पड़ेगा मैं हूँ कौन.
खोल करूँ खोल.
Oh my God! Please don't talk about that funny thing.
Musician.
Well, as much as I know Ismail Ali, he's not that much innocent as he looks.
Yeah.
Yes, I know very well about
know
it.
that
And some
already.
data. I have some secret data of his as well.
I'm feeling kind of a second hand embarrassment right here.
I'll cut many part of this
have
clip
been
because
basic, man.
you guys abuse a lot. I just hate that kind of activity. Children's.
Yeah. For now we are gonna swear, but when
And-
it's uploaded on the internet, there's no swearing on the video.
Oh my God! I really like your accent. From
Nah,
where you improved it.
Actually, he was born in California district.
Oh my God!
But
California district of Uttar Pradesh.
You mean his birthplace is
Yeah,
not India?
Yeah, but he moved here because he want to support his country, actual country.
And someone told that his DNA matches with Indian person.
Yeah.
So that's why he came back to
But
India.
he was actually born in
ये
California.
सारे मिलके मुझे पागल बना रहे.
No, we are not making